In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to verify your Google Adsense account. But in case where you are in Africa or somewhere that you cannot receive your verification pin code, I'll be leaving a video in the description box below on how you can verify your Google Adsense without receiving the verification pin code. I'm going to leave the video in the description box below on how you can solve that. So let's get into the video. So guys, a couple of months ago, I actually applied for Google Adsense so that in such a way that they can mail me my verification pin code. So I simply receive it. But have in mind that if you don't insert your verification pin code for at least 4 months, ad will automatically be cut off from your sites or from your YouTube channel. So I'm going to click on what? Action. So guys, after which I'm going to scroll down. I'll simply need to insert the verification pin code here. So after that, I'll simply click on what? Submit. So guys, we just successfully submitted it and we have successfully verified our address. From now on, we can now receive payment from YouTube. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing that. We love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.